Hi, my name is Erin Drace. I will be, for this screencast, introducing you to my three favorite projects throughout the semester, which happen to be the classroom newsletter, Blabbersy, and our Story Jumper. So, to first start off was the classroom newsletter. This project was designed as a monthly calendar for all events the class will be involved in. I chose to do the month of October because I do love Halloween. So, in the newsletter, I like to update the parents and students of future events and what would be going on in the near month. My contact information is listed below. We have the weekly schedule in each part. I put a scanner to show what our school field trip would be, and that is the link to the school trip, which would have been the Jack-o'-lantern Blaze. I learned a lot from this project and was to have a lot of patience with forming different types of text boxes and certain things and adding color to a Word document, which happened to be very hard to add into a border. I believe that sharing with this class and other people could really benefit a classroom when using a newsletter. The next project is all the way at the end, so Blabbersy. I would like to add that one in because this project was just super fun for me and it made learning fun and it had a creative twist. So I used my cat actually, so I could show a picture down here. So within this picture, we had to morph our voice onto their face. And basically, I wanted to do my lesson on mathematics, which here I could show the number that I used, 2,712, and I did a list of numbers to identify if these numbers were divisible by this certain number and an explanation. So example, 2 could go into 2,712 because it is an even number. 5, on the other hand, cannot because it does not end in a 0 or a 5. I learned from this project that students could easily follow this and want to learn from a cat because obviously sometimes the teacher gets a little boring. You gotta jazz it up. So the intended audience would have been for this particular, since the math lesson does involve a higher number, would have been for 4th or 5th graders. Story Jumper is my last project that I would like to discuss, and this was a fun project also. I loved all projects that I discussed, but this one took the cake. I based this off my roommate, so I made her go through the woods, finding new characters and meeting new people and not judging a book by its cover. Some of the characters she meets are the great, like the big bad wolf and Godzilla, so yeah, people are going to be scared, but it was made for fun and let students know that you don't want to judge somebody based on who you might think they are or what they look like. So this was fun to make due to the fact that I was able to incorporate my voice again and add creative detail that I consider to be fun to use in a learning. And we got to present this in the class, and it was fun to watch all the students' reactions to when I presented the characters and the books. Overall, this class and these projects have made me a more, I want to say, clever, organized person. In the beginning, I did not have a folder to dedicate all my projects to, which was not smart, but I learned that putting every project and picture into a particular folder for a certain class, you become more organized and you find everything so much easier. Using Google Sites became easier to me. Technology freaked me out in the beginning of the year. I decided to never, I was always against using it. So it's nice that this class has helped me want to use and incorporate technology into a classroom and be able to teach these students what I've taught them using these technology projects that we have used throughout the year. And thank you.